Hey guys, it's Jackson. I have a story today about my topic, Habitat for Humanity, and it's about a man named Jonathan. Jonathan is from Los Angeles, California, and he's part of the San Gabriel branch of Habitat for Humanity over in Los Angeles. Jonathan was troubled in his youth. He was in and out of juvie several times. He had been to rehab for drug use, arrested for selling drugs, robbing convenience stores, and robbing cars when he was younger. And in juvie, he ended up turning his life around for the better. Today, Jonathan is a construction trainer for the Compton Youth Build. It's known as CYB, and it's a nonprofit organization that assists at-risk youth, which are kids who are at risk of getting in trouble and being in the same position as he was. And in this program, the participants can choose to engage in construction, culinary arts, or workforce and leadership training. And so the purpose of their program is to involve their members in meaningful learning opportunities and expand their understanding of the world they live in. So CYB and Habitat for Humanity have a partnership. It's a very neutral one. They both help create better communities, create better homes, and generate happy and flourishing families. CYB and Habitat for Humanity both work together for the community towards building houses. And Jonathan was a big part of Habitat for Humanity, where he learned all of his skills in construction before going over to CYB and helping out, which is truly amazing that he was able to turn his life around. And instead of hurting people, he went from hurting people and hurting himself to helping several members of his community. Jonathan's a big part of the partnership between them. He brings teens from different backgrounds to Habitat's construction sites, and they learn to develop skills and learn very important life lessons that they can take with them and teach on to other kids. And so he says that his main objective is to make sure that the kids can see that there's a future in the life that they want to live. Jonathan's story is proof that with the right tools, success is all but guaranteed. A stable home is one of those very important tools that the kids need to have. All right. Thank you, guys.